Today, I'm going to show you the benefits of integrating Anytime with your Campavolt system. Now let's dive straight into it and let me show you where Anytime booking integration lies within the Campavolt portal. Simply press Bookings and select Anytime as your booking provider. From here, you can then select the settings that you would like to use throughout the integration. These include daily booking top-ups, where you can add an amount every day as credit to the Campavolt meter. You can also allow the credit to be added at a particular time of the day. You can refund the remaining credit automatically on the meter back to the camper. And you can finally send a text message when the credit becomes low on the meter. All you need to do to connect the two tools together is take the API key from Campavolt, head over to Anytime, go into Configurations, Service Integration, and paste the API key into the API edit box. You can then select a time where the meters will automatically check in and check out and apply any of your Campavolt settings. So let me show you how some of this works. So on the Campavolt portal, you can see we have a pitch named Grass Pitch 4. It's a pay-as-you-go system. It has 0 usage and 0 credit. It's connected and not occupied. When we go back to the Anytime system, we can see that we have a booking for today that is not checked in or checked out. So what we can do with this booking is we can head over to the booking management section of Anytime, and then we can check this person in, and that will then automatically send a message to the Campavolt system. When the Campavolt receives a booking, the credit is added and Campavolt will now flow electricity to the camper, and a credit LED is shown on the meter. Back on the portal, you have visibility of that meter now having credit and it being occupied. So if you have credit already on the meter, a camper may show up, use their phone to scan the QR code and go to that meter's unique website. It will then ask to check whether they're at the right campsite and on the right pitch. It will then display how much credit is on the meter, which is £3 because they've just arrived. They may now select either PayPal or direct debit to top up. This camper has selected PayPal and has topped up £1. That payment is processed by PayPal, and then as soon as PayPal has assessed that it's a correct payment, then it will forward back to Campavolt system. The Campavolt system then displays a message telling the camper to wait 20 seconds for the credit to be added. As the camper waits for the credit to be added, which in real terms is only a few seconds, they will see the credit increase by the amount that they added to the meter. You also have visibility of this on your portal. As you can see, it is now £4 credit. You can see the payment from the camper on the system, and ultimately you can, if you want, manually refund that at any time. However, with your Anytime integration, this can also be done automatically on camper departure. So we can check out a camper with the booking management tool on Anytime. That will send the checked out message to Campavolt, and it will automatically zero down the credit and the usage. and it will automatically refund the remaining credit if you have enabled it to the camper. So now let's show you what happens when the credit is low on the Campavolt. When the credit gets less than 50p, your camper will receive a text message with a website link to that specific meter. They can then press this link at any time and any place to top up their Campavolt meter. Finally, as a way to check to see if Campavolt has received the correct messages from Anytime, you can fetch the bookings that Campavolt has received from Anytime to reassure you that everything is working. Thank you for listening, and if you need to buy or would like to buy any Campavolts, please contact sales@campavolt.co.uk.